Hi guys, and thanks for joining me. If you're new here, my name is Kirsten, and this is a weekend in my life. We're gonna start off on Saturday. We went to a party. It was a party for family. I knew kind of what I wanted to get them, but I ended up having to run to the 99-cent store last minute to pick up some gift bags and some tissue paper. So of course I had to wrap the gifts in the car, and my daughter Evelyn helped me. Julian.
You mean Askeline?
Some of these little fidget.
Oh, I love those. They're so nice.
We got a fidget cube for
Julian.
slime.
For Julian.
Overall, I'd say this didn't take any longer than 5 or 10 minutes. So I got the party bags and the tissue paper and stuff. I also got some chocolate and strawberry cookies, some of these ties for these bamboo poles I got because my son brought home a plant, and I got a new doormat. The kids had a lot of fun. We had some barbecue. The kids went into the bounce house. They got some glitter tattoos, and then they got to take some pictures with Spider-Man. And of course, they had some cupcakes, and they got to hit the piñata. For Sunday morning, everybody slept in and got some much needed rest. The kids were running around for hours yesterday and were just wiped out when we got home. So sleeping in really helped everybody kind of recharge for this upcoming next week. I found a new recipe for overnight yeasted pancakes or waffles. So Saturday night, I made sure to mix up a batch and let them ferment overnight in the fridge. So we had late breakfast today, or brunch. Mario made the pancakes and waffles in the little waffle irons, and we had some bacon and some strawberries over the top. And then there's also some scrambled fake eggs as well. I found these tension rods at the 99-cent store, and I thought they were just perfect for adding some curtains to places that don't really have curtains. And right here in front of the washer and dryer is the perfect example. It's really kind of an eyesore. I kind of just use it as a dumping ground for random things. I've been getting better at it, but it still doesn't stay as clean as I would like it. So hanging this right here is just going to make sure that it's easy to just close and not even have to look at it. And it actually also helps with the sound a little bit. Now I'm just using my handheld steamer to steam out some of these unsightly wrinkles while I'm waiting to put fabric softener into the washer and change the laundry over. My son is in kindergarten, And this is by far one of my most favorite things to come home from kindergarten is the monthly calendar that he makes me. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of cleaning up before I start dinner. I still have to put away some of the like waffle irons and stuff from breakfast. You'll wipe down the countertop and then also get some water boiling for pasta and emptying out the dishwasher. I can also tell you that I totally dumped all of the broccoli right there on the floor and had to throw it all away because it was just too gross. And here is a quick and easy dinner. It's just instant mac and cheese with broccoli, some ground beef that's already been cooked and that I had in the freezer. And then this is also a non-dairy cheese version of it as well. And then I definitely made sure to make a ton of pasta so that there would be leftovers. Today, this is the second loaf of bread in a row that has turned out. I think I let it over rise. I've been experimenting with like freezing, like making my own bread dough, freezing it, and then trying to thaw it and bake it. This was a frozen one. The loaf before this that I tried was actually just a like bread dough that I had put into the pan to let it like ferment and rise overnight, hopefully to get a better flavor. It also kind of looks like this. I think might be using too much yeast, or I'm not sure. So I've been working on some different recipes, and it is such a shame because the loaf of bread and the pizza roll-ups that I made before this were absolutely delicious, and they looked so beautiful and eye-appealing, and they were just amazing. So I'm kind of defeated after making kind of a poopy loaf of bread. It's not going to go to waste. I will probably end up putting this into like my Ninja food processor or blender type thing and making breadcrumbs, and then I will make some homemade chicken nuggets for the kiddos, and then I will be able to make extra to put those in the freezer so that I will have ready-made chicken nuggets without having to actually like buy them or make them from scratch at that time. So this will be a big help in going and stretching a long ways to making a lot of chicken nuggets. And I will be pulling some chicken out of the freezer along with some pork chops. We will be having pork chops tomorrow because I have a bunch of mushrooms, and one of our favorite things that goes with mushrooms besides pizza and burgers is pork chops. So I'm going to put a ton of mushrooms on the pork chops, and it should be a little bit cooler, so I'll just toss it in the crock pot. This has kind of been a late night. I haven't finished the dishes, and I'm probably just going to leave them until tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up. I don't post on any kind of regular schedule, so be sure to turn on your notifications so you can catch my next video. Thanks.